Welcome back. As we prepare for this week's lesson, please note that I know that in 4th grade you learned a different way to divide, but I want to expose you to all different ways because depending on your learning style, depends on which way you like better. After reading the reviews on Edmodo about which model you liked best for multiplication, most of you picked that you liked the area model best. So we're going to use that model to help us divide numbers. In this example, we have 378 divided by 13. So if you look at my picture, the first thing you notice is that I drew a rectangle. I put the number 378 in the middle and 13 on the outside. Now we are ready to begin. I simply am going to draw an arrow down here, meaning we're going to move down the page with our model of division. Now, using my knowledge of my 13 multiples, I know 13 times 1 is 13. 13 times 2 is 26. 13 times 3 is 39. So we're trying to get as close to the first two numbers as possible. And in this case, it will be 13 times 3. So, all I'm doing right now is recopying the problem. And I know right now that I need to put a 2 above that 7, and then a 0 because there's a number after it. So we know that 13 times 2 is 26, so I will put 26, and then I will put that 0 that we used. Now we're not finished. Now we must subtract. 8 take away 0 is 8. 7 take away 6 is 1. 3 take away 2 is 1. So we're left with 118. So now we're going to play the same game. We're going to come over. I'm going to put my arrow. I'm going to draw the 13. I'm going to draw a box. But this time, I'm going to put the number 118 in the box. Now, we go back to our knowledge. We're looking for what number times 13 is going to get us close to 118. Well, I know that 13 times 10 is 130. And that's too big. So if I go down to 13 times 9, that's going to give me 117. So I can use that. I'm going to put a 9. And that gives me 117. And then I'm going to subtract just like I did in the other box. So, 8 take away 7 is 1. 1 take away 1 is 0. 1 take away 1 is 0. So now we're ready to get our answer. So I'm going to draw an arrow up so we can finish our rectangle. And we're going to use the numbers on the top. We're going to get 20. Remember 20 was here. Plus 9 equals 29. So our answer is 29. And we have a remainder of 1. And so we currently made a little rectangle, which is very similar to our area. Please look for more examples under our Edmodo video.